Hi there, fifth grade. So I'm going to do something a little bit different with you this week. And so I've got three things for you to look at, and then I want you to write one quick response for me, just something that you noticed and something that you liked about what you did. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the link for this painting. Now, this is my favorite painting in the whole world, and you're thinking, wait, this isn't art class, this is music class, but they go really well together, and I'll tell you why this is one of my favorite paintings in just a moment. But I want you to look at this painting, and the cool thing about this website is that you can zoom in on the painting, which is super important on this. This is a painting by Georges Seurat called Sunday on the Afternoon on the Island of Le Grand Jatte. And Georges Seurat painted with dots of color. So if you notice, if you can zoom in all the way on this painting and just see that there are just spots of color everywhere. But then when you zoom out, your eyes put together the colors and it becomes this really clear and crisp image. And so the artist movement was called Pointillism because they were doing points of color. And Georges Seurat was kind of the leader of this. He was really into how all those colors melded together in your eyes and your brain to create this really stunning image. And the other thing you should know about this painting is that it is huge. It is probably as tall as your classroom ceiling and about as wide too. So it's a huge canvas that this person was working on, that Georges Seurat was working on. So I want you to kind of explore around that painting a little bit. And then there's going to be two YouTube videos that I want you to watch. And these are performances of a musical that was based on this painting. The musical is called Sunday in the Park with George, and it's done by my favorite musical composer, Stephen Sondheim. Now, this is a musical that I have loved for many, many years, ever since I was in high school and was in the production. And the music itself is very pointillistic. You can hear points of music and points of light that happen in the music, in the orchestra. And then the singing is also just wonderful. The melodies are amazing. So I'm giving you two videos to watch. One is of the original Broadway casts at the Tony Awards, because this did win a Tony and also a Pulitzer Prize, which is for writing. So watch that. That's the original cast. And then there's a second video of Jake Gyllenhaal, who started probably one of my favorite revivals of this musical. Just of him singing one of the best songs from the show called "Finishing the Hat," which is all about how Georges Seurat, the character in the musical, is so focused on finishing the painting, the hat, that everything else kind of falls apart in his life. And it's just a fascinating and a beautiful song that's very powerful. And then when you're done watching those two videos, I just want you to give me a quick, one sentence response about what you noticed, what you liked about it. Okay? And that'll be in Seesaw. So I hope you enjoy this. Like I said, this is my favorite musical of all time. And I hope it becomes something that you want to explore more and listen to more. Okay? Thank you.